So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Lime Ridge Mall in Hamilton. You wanna say hi? Kagagaling lang namin na we just came back from Wireless Wave. Meron kaming kakilala doon because we needed to upgrade our phones. So in this bag, right there, that's $6,000. And I'll tell you why when I get home. This is a $6,000 bag. Ayun, nandito na tayo sa bahay mga ate at mga kuya. Like I said earlier, we just came back from Lime Ridge Mall sa Hamilton because we needed to upgrade our phones. The last time na nag-upgrade kami was 2021. It's been 4 years, 2025 na, and our old devices are not working as well dahil punong-puno na. So, in this video, mag-unbox tayo. And I was not joking earlier. According to Rogers, where we got the phones, well, it was through Wireless Wave. Everything that we got today, that I showed you earlier in that bag, it's about $6,000. Come join me. So guys, eto ang, I'll give you a tour. By the way, that's the bag right there. This is what we call our war room. This is where all the the magic happens, I guess. Dito kami nagnenegosyo ni Ate Susan. This is our headquarters. This is where I sit. This is where we do most of the paperwork. And this is where I'm gonna do the unboxing. So this came from Wireless Wave sa Hamilton, Ontario. And in this box contains about $5,000 to $6,000 worth of electronics. Lika, buksan natin. Oh, by the way, this is my old phone. This is for all of you people na, knows phones. This is a Samsung Note, ano yata to? 8? It's really, really old. And that's what I use for vlogging and stuff. So it's time for an upgrade. Let us see what's inside the bag. So, eto na guys, oh. Let's open the box. So, eto yung inuwi namin ni Mrs. So, number one, we got a Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 5G. That's the 11-inch. That's for her. And we also got a second one. This is for me. I'll tell you the reason why dalawa nakuha namin. Okay? And over here, this is a Galaxy S25 Ultra. 256 gigabyte model. It says Mark, that's mine. And the second one right here, it's also an S25 Ultra. And this is kay Ate Susan. Merong mga ganyan because he gave me a bunch of free elastics. Mahilig ako sa goma. So, yun. Let's take that off. Ayan. So, altogether, I was told, hindi ako techie. Okay, just so you guys know. All of this, these 4 items right here is, about $6,000. 5 or 6. Depende where you go. I haven't checked prices yet, but I was told you can get it cheaper. This is what is advertised at the Rogers store. So, tignan natin. Let's go to the Rogers store, okay? So here we go at the Rogers store. I'm using my phone. So this is a Samsung S25 Ultra, which is what we have here. We have 2 of them, one for me and one for Ate Susan, si Mrs. Boss. And according to Rogers, okay, we have the 256 gigabyte model, okay, and it's $2,320 for the full price. This is at the Rogers store. I said earlier, you could probably get this way cheaper somewhere else, maybe Amazon or straight from Samsung. But the Rogers listed price sa website nila is $2,320. So, ibig sabihin, etong dalawang S25 Ultra 256 na to, if we multiply that number by 2, that will be $4,640. Yup. Ang mahal. Kotse na yan. So guys, eto naman, this is the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, which is what we have here times 2. Okay? So, dun sa website ng Rogers, for the 64GB model, which is this one, the price is $399.99. So, $400 siya. So, times 2, that's $800. Okay, so let's do some math. So guys, here's some easy math, okay? 2320, which is yung presyo ng isang ganito, and then we'll multiply that by 2. So that's 4,640 plus $400 para dito, plus another $400 para dito, equals 5,440 plus tax, which is 13%, 1.13. So grand total, these 4 devices right here, $6,147.20. Ouch, big time. But I did not pay that, guys. I did not pay that. So ito na, guys. Are you ready? You're asking, Kuya P, ba't may kutsilyo ka? Pambukas niyan. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. So, this is the Galaxy S25 Ultra, 256 gigs. Box. You know, box is a box, right? Let's open it. Let's open it. Ayun. Okay, pag binuksan nyo, ganyan ang itsura. Ang ganda ng box, ang kintab. Ano ba laman nito? So, the phone is here. So, para siyang black, gray ang kulay. 3 yung lenses niya dito. Actually, 5 yata. Ayun. Pasensya na kayo, guys, dahil hindi ako masyadong techie. This is my first phone in over 4 years. Just under 5 years. So, buksan natin. Ay! Ayun. So, ano ba kasama nito? So, this is the phone. May cover siya. We have to peel that off later. But before we peel that, eto sa gilid, this is, I'm assuming yung volume button, up and down dito. And this is the on and off button. And sa ilalim naman, so this is the charging port, USB-C siya. And I'm assuming ano to, speaker. And this is the S Pen. Yan. So you could do a sulat-sulat dyan. I don't really use it. I've never used it on my my old Samsung Note. But it's good to have. Okay. Pasok natin siya dyan. And this is the SIM card slot. I guess dyan yung ilalagay yung SIM card. So kailangan later, kailangan tanggalin ko yung SIM card na itong old phone ko. And I have to transfer it here. And then I gotta, yung mga data nito, yung mga apps nitong old phone ko, I need to transfer all of that into this. So medyo katagalan yan. I gotta figure that out. And on the side here, nice. And there's 2, I'm assuming microphones yata yan eh. So, magaang ba siya? Yeah, it's almost the same weight as my Galaxy Note 8. This is a Note 8, guys. And size-wise, halos pareho sila. Okay. Bakal yata. Parang bakal ang feel. Feels good. Feels really good. Okay. Ano ba kasama na itong box na yan? Lagay muna natin dito yan. And what does the box come with? Buksan natin. Oh, yun. Sigurado ako may laman to. Lagi naman may laman yan eh. Yun. Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Sabi niyo siguro, Kuya Puto, nasa yung charger. Ito, nandito yung charger, guys. So guys, etong little device na to, parang toothpick yan eh. So you take that device, that little tool, it's not a device, it's a tool, and tutusukin nyo to para lumabas yung SIM card tray, di ba? Yan. And inside, etong lalagyan, there's the instruction book from Samsung. Okay. Tutusin, di ko naman binabasa to. I just go to YouTube and then I type how to set up a Samsung phone, and it's easier than reading this. And kasama to, itong charging cable na yan, itong data cable. Sucks because dati yung mga lumang telepono, it comes with a block that goes into the wall. Ito ngayon binibigay lang sa'yo itong charging cable. You have to buy the block that goes in the wall, but that's cool. Ika, tanggalin natin to. Itong screen na yan. Tanyo see it? First time, nakadikit siya. Ayun. Oh, that's so satisfying, guys. I mean, that's so satisfying. Look at that screen. That's beautiful. Oh, yeah. Kinis. Man, I haven't been this excited about a phone in a long time. So let's turn it on just to see if it powers up. There should be some battery left. Okay. Yon. Samsung Galaxy. It's gonna run. So guys, what do you think? Not bad, eh? Medyo excited si Kuya Puto dahil it's been a while, like I said. And man, I'm gonna have to learn how to use this thing. But it's okay. It's a beautiful thing. Ayan. So mamaya ako na gagawin yan because we're gonna unbox this one. So let me turn this off for now because we're not really gonna need it. Power off. Oh, wait. Press. Oh. Ganun ba yan? Restart, power off. Yun. Balik muna natin to because wala pa akong phone case nito eh. In-order ko pa sa Amazon and it won't be coming until tomorrow morning. Okay. Ay. Ano ba yan? We need to turn this off. Power off. Tap again. Yun. So yun, pinatay muna natin guys dahil hindi ko muna gagamitin to. I'm gonna wait until tomorrow. Pag dumating na yung phone case because natatakot ako masyado ngayon baka mabagsak ko walang phone case, right? Hindi ko pa naman gagamitin siya eh. So yan, balik muna natin to. Ooh, smooth. We'll place it back in the box and what we're gonna do, we're gonna put all of this stuff aside, okay? And we're gonna open this Galaxy tab right here. So, you know, nakalagay Marco, si Kuya Puto yan. So, lika, buksan natin to. That's why I have this knife. So, the last time I had a, what do you call this? A tablet. Nasa high school pa yata ako nun eh. I don't really find much use for this. By the way, guys, this was a promotional item. More or less, we got this for free. Both of these for signing up for these two phones, right? So I couldn't resist. Sabi nung tao sa amin, yeah, like you know, we're giving away tablets, basically free. I'm like, how is it free? You know, I'm not gonna bore you with the details, guys, but we were at the store, the wireless wave store, for like over an hour. And he explained it, and I told him, basta free, ayos ako dun. Okay? And if it's a promotional item, good. Ayos din ako dun. Basta yung bill ko, ayokong tumaas ng ganito kalaki. This is the maximum, right? So, eto, buksan natin. Yan. So, by the way, this is 64 gigs yata. And it's the 11-inch model. Samsung. Check it out. So let's pull this out. Oh man, it's really slim. Comes in this little this pouch na tela yata to kung ano. Hindi ko lang paano bang bubuksan to. Ayokong sirain eh. Ito. Let's lift this up. Kuya Puto, napakabano mo naman. Di mo mabuksan-buksan. See, this is how you know it's brand new, guys. Everything is like stuck together. Yun. Okay, buksan natin. Yun. Very nice. Very slim. You can see my reflection. I'm recording with my Ray-Ban Metas. Yes, sir. Check it out. So, they're all typically the same to mga tablets na to from Samsung. There is the power button there. This is the what do you call it? Yung volume up and down right here. So that little pinhole right there, I would imagine that's the speaker, maybe. And not sure where the charging port is. Ayun, USB-C. Speakers pala ito, guys. Yan. I'm thinking that's oh, that could be the SIM card slot. I'm not sure dahil merong SIM card to eh. So speakers on the side, ayun, nakikita ko yung butas. And there's another one right there. I know I have to put, SIM card. There's a little compartment here, guys. That's where I put the SIM card because this device does come with a SIM card, right? So it's 11 inches. Yeah, let's turn it on. So we're holding the power button down until it powers up. Ayun, Samsung, Galaxy, Android. So I also ordered a case for this. It's like $12 at Amazon. So I bought 2 different colors, one for me, one for the boss. And it's supposed to come with cases for the telephones. And that's supposed to get here, ano yata, sabi, alas 8 ng umaga bukas. That's why I'm doing my best not to handle this as much as I can. I'm gonna wait until tomorrow para protected siya, diba? Yun, welcome. Galing. Okay, we're not gonna do this right now. I just wanted to see if it turns on. So we're gonna turn it back off. Hold that. Power off. Power off again. Yun. It's very light. It's very thin, very light. Probably, like, it's like a Subway. Like the weight of a Subway. Mas mabigat pa yata Subway sandwich dito eh. Anyways, ano ba kasama niyang box niyan, Kuya Puto? I'm pretty sure it's gonna be similar to this. Siguro merong power cable. Buksan natin to. Ayun. Yun. So it comes with the instruction, which is right here. It comes with that tool para malagay natin yung SIM card, which is somebody's SIM card neto. Ayun, no? That's a SIM card. So I have to pop that out using this tool right here into that little compartment. Ayun dito. So similar to the phone, comes with a charging cable and the instruction book. Ayun. So this one is mine. This one belongs to the lady boss, si Bossing. And this one is mine. And this one belongs to the lady boss. So like I said, guys, I know it's over $6,000 listed dun sa website ng Rogers.com, which is our provider, but you can get it way cheaper than that. It's just what they had it advertised for dun sa website nila. But Kuya Puto did not pay that. I would never pay that. Number one, I'm not a techie. And number two, kung tutuusin, hindi ko naman siguro alam gamitin lahat ng functions nun, di ba? I just found value because they had a promo doon sa mall at Wireless Wave. Yung tao doon, such a nice guy. His name is Wii. Wii, W-I-I, like the Nintendo Wii. He's Iranian and such a nice kid, right? He explained to us everything, gave us all the promos, and the bill was not that much more kumpara dun sa binabayaran namin ngayon, so I couldn't resist. We had to sign up dahil, like I said, it's been 4 years since we had new phones, and the phones that we're using right now, oh my God, napakatanda na and it's full. And ang hirap ng gamitin minsan, nag-i-install na. So, wala sa yabang to, guys. Wala sa yabang to. I'm just saying this is what I guess it cost if you bought it at the Rogers store. And I would never pay this much. Never ever, dahil kuripot po si Kuya Puto. I'm just happy to share with our audience right now that there are deals out there. Even though upfront it may seem like a lot of money, which it is. Pero, if you're able to put together some discounts and some promotions, and if you know the right people, you can actually get stuff for a very, very reasonable price. So, what I'm gonna do now, I have to take the new phones, like I said earlier, and kailangan ko i-transfer lahat ng files na itong old phones namin. Like all the contacts, all of the everything into the new ones. So that I gotta figure out. I've done it before, but it's been a while, but I gotta figure that out. So not only do I have to do it sa telepono ko, I have to do it for Ate Susan, the big boss's phone too. And on top of that, umorder na ako ng mga phone cases sa Amazon dahil dun po sa Wireless Wave, they sell phone cases and they sell yung mga accessories pero sobrang mahal. Yung phone case nila doon was pinakamura yata was $50 plus tax, right? Punta ako sa Amazon as soon as I got home and I got 2 phone cases and 2 Galaxy Tab cases for the tablets. Altogether, yung apat na yon was under $55. Shipped tomorrow. It's gonna come here early in the morning. Not bad, right? See, sabi ko sa inyo, kuripot si Kuya Puto eh. So yeah guys, sana naman natuwa kayo dito sa short video clip na to. You know, I was able to share, you know, a big event for me because it's been a while since, like I said, naka-phone kami, right? So, samahan nyo ulit kami. Next video, you know, we'll think of something interesting to share. Okay guys, this is Kuya Puto out. Talk to you later. Bye for now.